Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Royal Enfield Meteor 350. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 with 31,287 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS. Powered by a 349cc single-cylinder engine, the Meteor puts 20 horsepower and 19 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 3.9-gallon fuel capacity, the Meteor has a 250 to 310-mile range. It has a 30.1-inch seat height and a 421-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the rear fender. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.